Hey guys, welcome back for some more TCM, and today we've got a Sonny build for you. It was suggested in the comments by MySpaces. Thanks so much for the suggestion. And it's Tae Kwon Door Sonny. It's been a while since we did it. We did do a video on it a few months back, but yeah, it's definitely due another one because it's a load of fun. So naturally, we've got Tae Kwon Door, and then we've got no cell and tougher stuff to back it up. And we've got toughness and proficiency as our main stats that we're investing into, which kind of makes it an all-round build because endurance and strength is already high, and stealth is completely worthless, so we just pretend like that doesn't exist. So yeah, if you do enjoy the video, leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out so much, and let's dive in. So we are in on gas station, and this build is definitely a good all-rounder build. Oh god, he's right there. He's heading up. Oh wait, no he's not. Is he heading up there? Yeah, I heard the door closing. So, yeah, we've got no cell for the big hitters, so if we do get caught out by Leatherface, we're not getting deleted from the game. Same with Johnny as well. And, yeah, obviously we've got Tae Kwon Door. It's going to be kind of similar to the Julie one, where if we get someone with a good door slam, we could probably get a gate open as long as nobody else intervenes. And then Sonny's got pretty good strength and endurance, so we would not even need to put any points in that, and they're still okay. So we could do a bit of everything. Hopefully he doesn't break that. Oh, I think he did break that door, didn't he? I wanted that door. That's such a good door. Oh wait, he didn't actually. It was that barricade he broke. Can I sneak this? Oh, of course it's security pins. Give me a checkpoint at least. Oh, we got the checkpoint. Oh wait, did he not see me? Can we help? Let's see if we can help. Nah, we can't. She's gonna well. And I just got revealed. Oh. Can we get another pin here? Maybe. Nope. Nope. Go for here because animation's quicker. Oh, he's actually... Well, this is awkward. I'm coming for you. Don't you run away from me. That was completely pointless since he was in a chainsaw cooldown anyway, but I just wanted to do it. Yeah, I mildly annoyed you. This was open, right? This is where I came up. Yeah, just making sure. I don't know if he's gonna come all the way around. Yeah, he is. Right, we need to move. I think someone died there, actually. Oh yeah, we lost Julie. Damn it. Alright, well... bit of a slow start for us. Maybe we should head up this side, because then we've got the doors from the main house to play with. All quiet so far. I want to wait for my stamina to go up. Can I make it here? Hey, that's not supposed to reveal me when I'm in the brush. They probably saw that. He's probably going to come around here and check this, isn't he? Oh wait, somebody's actually got that.
Stay sharp. They could be anywhere.
If we can get this as well, then he doesn't have a padlock for the last gate. Oh, he's definitely coming around. What are you doing, Leatherface? What are you doing? And because we've got Tae Kwon Door, it'll actually be a sizable stun. Right, so... let's head over here. I assume that there's another family member here, because why would Leatherface not check it? Wait, is there not?
Get the hell out of here. I got this.
There's nobody here? Maybe that was the person we heard wailing. Well, let's see what we can do. Kind of surprised that nobody's watching this. Guy's battery's going off in a sec. It's left door.
Okay.
Ah, there's Connie. Yep, so we are all good. Well, we didn't even get hit once. We still got all our no-cell, but yeah, it happens. But that's why it's good to have the all-rounder part of it, so that we weren't distracting, but we did get the other stuff done instead, so yeah. That was a good game. Let's go into the next one. So, we are in on Family House. And I'm sitting here hoping for a door stun. I don't know if he's going to come around though, because I think he saw someone. Yeah, it doesn't look like it.
Sonny, over here.
Oh, hello, Lil.
That looks useful. Something useful. Those doors.
Is he coming in? Oh, he is. Did someone latch that? Oh, Anna did. Well, she could deal with that. That's poisoned.
Is this a way out?
Ah, I think she got a backstab there, so... Oh, hello, sissy. Oh, she's poisoned that too.
This goes.
I don't know why she's wasting her poisons like that, but... It's fine by me. I mean, does it maybe linger? Is that worth it, sissy players? Let me know. Like, would you do that? I mean, I don't even know if she's got linger, but I'm assuming she does, because why else would you do that? Like, maybe it's worthwhile kind of trying to filter them up the way that you want them to go. Is that the plan there? 'Cause it seems pointless to me, but then I never play sissies, so... I probably should have used my ability before doing this, just in case they saw that, but... Yeah, looks like we're all good. There's always unlocked tools behind here, so we'll grab one. So, the good thing about no-cell in Family House is that you can sort of take a risk, because quite often it could be one mistake and you're done in Family House, but with no-cell, you can almost always get away with it, unless you royally screw up, but...
I'm ready. They're still here.
Does she know? Nah, she doesn't. Oh, that's a sneaky trap. They must have saw me there, I think. Or maybe not. Well, Anna's led them right to us. Well, this isn't good. Maybe we should just head upstairs. We could even come down the other stairs if we are wanting to get the door open. Although they might be trapped. Oh, front door open. Let's sneak out whilst they're busy. Right, no gen there. If we fall in behind him, we might be able to... I'm kind of hoping he does see whoever's opened that. Oh, no. Damn it, why? What is that timing? As soon as I say that, he just snapped round and looked right at me. Well, you know what? We can't... Oh, there are two of them. Oh, there's Connie right there. Well, we can take him away. Hopefully she didn't hear that voice line. He didn't hear it even. Sorry, Hitchhiker, I know that you're a big strong man. Because Leatherface is out here, but he doesn't know. Oh crap, he knows. Oh, God. Well, this is why we've got no cell. Oh, at least have one for Leatherface. Nice. He thought he hit me really hard, I was probably expecting a bleed out, but instead, barely even hurt. That is our no cell gone though, so we're not getting bailed out like that again. Maybe I should just stay inside and do a fuse since we've got a load of doors to play around with. And I'm hoping that we gave Connie an opportunity there. In fact, it says he poisoned us, but this door wasn't even open. Because she definitely poisoned it. We saw it coming through the floor. There was definitely the staircase. Oh, Connie did get away and got car battery. Nice. Well, I didn't even notice that valve was going. Is it tampered? It's not tampered. We don't even have a Danny. They kind of just forgot about it. Why is this not opening? Oh, there we go. I don't like this. We don't have no cell. Wait, let's grab a fuse.
Finally. I think I lost them.
Nope, no fuse there.
I can do this.
Here we go.
Look at this. Almost.
That is not a good trap to stop in. Stop in? Seriously, I feel like I just can't talk anymore. I was doing it in my last video too. I mean, I know I'm Scottish and I can't really talk at the best of times, but you know what I mean. It's not open. I was hoping someone had already unlocked it. I think there's usually one round here. I'm trying to do it as quick as I can, Leland.
This will help. Okay.
Oh. Oh god, it kind of looked like we had a whole house to ourselves.
I can use this.
Well, there's Sissy, I can hear her. Right, quick, not so quick maths. God, what is this? 1, oh, wrong one. And 5, and 9 and 1.
One step closer.
I might even just go out the front there, because Leatherface is probably going to go down and block if he's back in the house. We could just go car battery now. I think I saw all of them. Wonder if we could just kick this as well. No, you know what? He's out. Let's not bother. Let's just get out of here. Well, there's a rage quit. That's good for us. And another. And a third. So we don't actually get the escape, but whatever. It's the same result. I'm pretty sure we were out there anyway. They wouldn't have known I was out here. But yeah, GG. Let's go into the next one. So we're on Family House again. Last time we didn't get any against that Tae Kwon Door, so I'm going to see if we can change that. Can't exactly be the door slam king if we get no door slams, can we? Especially on the map where it's probably the easiest to get door slams.
So glad you're here.
Let's see if we can do a bit better this time. Here we go. Right, we do have a... Well, for some reason nobody's playing Cook. Which is good for us, I suppose, but... Kinda weird. Who's that?
I got this.
Oh, I guess we're fine. What is Leatherface doing? He was just sort of standing there. Right, so... What do we want? We want a... Well, let's get this open, actually. That's a good door. Anna just being randomly rude to me there. Well, screw you, Anna. Maybe you should get away from me. And yes, I know she wasn't saying it to me. It's very slow. Unlock tool and a bone scrap.
This will help.
Leatherface has been awful chill. It didn't even seem like he was moving there, because you can usually tell when the sound's getting louder and stuff, and it just wasn't. But is he AFK? What's going on? There's almost definitely going to be a trap here. Nope, no trap.
It's useful.
Oh, this is easier than it should have been. We just walked out the house. This is why you need a cook. Oh crap. Come on! Wait, Leatherface is out here? Johnny just completely annihilated our no-cell and our health bar. But at least we got it open. We did get that door slam, I think, even though it kind of bugged out. But yeah, that was not good play from us. We should have done much better there. I think we took like 5 hits or something, which... yeah, that's not good. Oh, that's why we've got no cell, I suppose. And now the back gate is open, which is obviously nice. Yeah, we need this too, don't we? Especially with the team that they've got. We don't want to get caught out. I heard Johnny for a sec there, so I thought he was really close, but maybe he's not. Let's grab an unlock tool anyway. So yeah, that's where no cell excels, and yeah, it's we would have been dead there. So it lets you play a bit riskier. I think if I didn't have no cell, I would have just welled, but it gave us an opportunity. Just we messed up and didn't play very well, but it's actually good timing with the Maria's thingy there.
I got this.
I think we've got time. Looks like it. Ooh, sneaky trap. We were ready for it though.
Are they really gone?
Anna's in trouble there. Come on, Anna, don't die on me now. She died on me now. Oh, crap. Wait, 2 of them are out here?
I hope the others are okay. I gotta get out of here.
Time to get in a well, I think. Normally I'd fake that because I could see he was cutting me off, but I don't think there's a point here. We don't want
Finally.
Johnny catching up with us.
I think I lost them. Okay.
Don't try and do this against Sonny. It just doesn't work. Did we take a hit here? Nah, we're fine.
I'm ready.
Doesn't work, Hitchy. Just doesn't work. It still doesn't work.
Come on.
He's not gonna take a hint, is he?
I got this. I can do this. Okay.
Let's try something. Oh, did he see me? Yeah, he saw me, damn it. It was a good effort.
Gone. Damn these freaks.
Oh, back here we go.
I'm ready. Come on.
Maybe we can actually make some noise here and get... get another family member over, and then we can well. Yeah, let's just well now. Ooh, car battery off. Nice one. This is why you shouldn't chase someone in the middle of nowhere. Especially at a spot where you just obviously can't catch them.
Gotta keep moving.
Just taking these just in case, but not sure if I'll actually use them or not. We should probably take a bone scrap since... Oh crap. Oh, rage quits. Don't see me, don't see me. Crap. Ooh. This is probably not what you're supposed to be doing, but... Has he noticed yet? Oh, there he is. Wait, oh yeah, of course there's a Leatherface. Can we get Tae Kwon Door here? There's one. There's two. Oh, that was perfect. Oh, that's probably the most value you're ever going to see from that perk right there. And they're going to be stuck there forever. Oh wait, this is... They switched it back on. Damn it. Okay, we're not out yet. Oh wait, he actually disconnected. Even though we're not even out. Come on, Johnny, everybody else is disconnected. Just let me go.
Well, ain't you shifty? Like me.
Let's take a little dump on Hitchhiker there for rage quit. Even though he obviously can't see it since he's not even in the game, but... It's about sending a message.
Oh, you ain't getting away. I'm keeping you.
No, we missed. No, wait, it closed the wrong door. Well, that sucks. God, are we actually going to die now for that? I'm not even going to risk it here, because if we mess up this time, we're dead. Johnny, just let me go, man. Come on. We're probably going to need to make it to a well, I think. Just keep door slamming the disconnected person, why not? Don't see me. I think we're okay. Oh god, we're not okay. He's coming. Come on, there's only one left, Steph. You can't die now. Crap.
Great. I can use this.
Maybe we can make a break for it now.
How did they find me?
I don't know why I keep taking this vault, this gap when he's already got the thingy open.
Exactly what I need.
Maybe we should have just kept running there. No, I didn't. I thought that was open already, that's why I did that. I wonder, because I'm pretty sure if the cooldown wasn't going for that, we would have actually had enough time to do it. When we got the double Tae Kwon Door stun. But yeah, thankfully we didn't die. That would have been embarrassing for me. Just time when there's only one person left. So yeah, we made it out. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so we're in Nancy's house. Not the best for door slams, but if we can get into the house, it's pretty good there. I just always feel safer going to this door. I know it doesn't make sense to come out this one when if the house is where we want to be, but I don't know, just this area of Nancy's house basement is just super safe, so I always tend to go here if there's a Leatherface. Come on, Leyland. What's it with Leylands and making noise? Let's head over to Garden Shed, make sure that's unlocked.
I can use this.
Oh, Connie's got it for us. No, wait, what am I talking about? That's the wrong side. I'm getting mixed up there. This is Garden Shed. Oh. I don't know why he's still waiting. Leyland's in a lot of trouble there. He's on low health. I think he got away. Is this open?
I should grab that.
I wonder why that was that family member. Did they see me and they were sort of waiting for me to open it or something? Something I can think of. I mean, even without Sonny's ability, they were sort of clipping through the doors. It's not very stealthy, whoever that was. Let's get an unlocked tool. Maybe we will just head up here and hopefully get something unlocked so we can get upstairs.
I'm ready.
I don't see anybody.
Where are the others?
Wait, this is open? Oh,
They're
I
everywhere.
think it's Leyland. It's a proficiency Leyland. Watch my back, Leyland. Then I can sort of,
Leatherface is going up the house, I think.
because I can just stay here and then guard Leyland whilst they. Oh wait, where did they go? Go, Leyland. Get that last gate. I've got you covered.
I got this.
There we go. That should buy him enough time. Because Hans would normally... Wait, what? Oh, right. Yeah, he's got this. That slow-mo effect. Yeah, he knows what's up. I don't think that'll buy Leyland enough time. So Tae Kwon Door's kind of weird. Sometimes it does completely lock him in place, and other times it does that. Oh, he's going for it. Crap. Wait, what's he going for me for? Leyland, you're crazy.
Nice treatment. Well, it's in the lock. Damn, GG's.
Well, I appreciate the sacrifice, Leyland, but you didn't need to do that. So it wasn't now or never. You had time. But taking one for the team, I guess. Thank you, Leyland. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one.